Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today on the screen you can see a very interesting question from JEE Main. Let A1 equals to 1, A2, A3, A4 be consecutive natural numbers. Then tan inverse 1 over 1 plus A1 into A2 plus tan inverse 1 over 1 plus A2 into A3 plus so on up to tan inverse 1 over 1 plus A2021 A2022 is 4 options are given. We have to find which one is correct, or maybe many are correct. Answer 1 is pi by 4 minus cot inverse 2022. 2 is cot inverse 2022 minus pi by 4. 3 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse 2022, and 4 is tan inverse 2022 minus 4. So here we have to recall one formula, that is tan inverse your a minus b over 1 plus a into b equals to tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. Now a1 is 1 given, a2, a3 are consecutive numbers, then a2 equals to 2, a3 equals to 3, then your a2 minus a1 is same as your a3 minus a2. This is same as your a4 minus a3. This is same as your a2022 minus a2021. That is, difference is 1. So the numerator 1 we can convert in these terms. First term you can observe tan inverse 1 over 1 plus a1 a2 can be written as tan inverse a2 minus a1 over 1 plus a1 a2, because a2 minus a1 is difference is 1, consecutive natural numbers. So this can be, we can write tan inverse a2 minus tan inverse a1. Similarly, second term will be written as tan inverse a3 minus a2. So writing the whole question, tan inverse 1 plus 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse 1 over 1 plus a2 a3 plus tan inverse 1 over 1 plus 2021 into 2a2022. So first term equals to tan inverse a2 minus a1. So second term will be in this pattern. I'll write. It's very sorry. It will be tan inverse a1. Then from second term I'll get tan inverse a3 minus tan inverse a2 plus tan inverse a4 minus tan inverse a3, so on. Last two term will be tan inverse 2022 minus tan inverse a2021. So if we'll see minutely here, these two will be cancelled. So only tan inverse A2022 and tan inverse A1 will be left. So A1 equals to 1. Replacing this, we can write tan inverse A2022 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So the answer is tan inverse 2 minus pi by 4. So let us check the answer. So it will be how much? Tan inverse 2022 minus pi by 4. So 4 is the answer. Fourth part is the answer. Now let us check whether any other answer is there. So here A2022 is same as your A2022 because these are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. So A2022 as term will be 2022. So it can be written in this way. Now tan inverse 2022 can be written as pi by 2 minus cot inverse 2022. So the whole thing is the answer is can be written also in another way. Pi by 4 is same as your pi by 2 minus cot inverse 2022 minus pi by 4. Then pi by 2 and pi by 4 taking together, this will be pi by 4 minus cot inverse 2022. So let us check whether this answer is also there. Yes, first one is also there. So both 1 and 4 are correct. Thank you for watching.